Remember, ladies, your confidence only comes from you. It doesn't come from any of this. This is what I do to make myself feel beautiful. This is my choice of preference. You can choose whatever makes you feel more beautiful, whether it's getting your hair done. I love that too. Everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you are already part of the tribe. As you can see, this is a totally different kind of video. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to show you guys how I make myself feel beautiful. And that's not to say that if I don't do the following, I don't feel beautiful. That's not true. Makeup for me brings out more of my beauty. Remember, makeup accentuates your beauty. As for me, I get dark under eyes when I lose even at least one night of sleep. So concealer and makeup does make a difference to me for my face. So when I do wear makeup, it makes me feel instantly more beautiful. Like, I want to show you guys how I achieve this look. It's very simple, it's quick, and it helps me feel better. It helps me, my energy levels, and it makes me just look well put together, and that's exactly what I want. Under 15 minutes, I can do this so quick and just go about my day. I hope you enjoy this video, and you do not have to wear makeup to look beautiful. Do what makes you feel beautiful. And this is what makes me feel more beautiful, and I would love to share with you guys. So here's a before getting my makeup done. My under eyes are there. The second I lose any type of sleep and I have a long night, my under eyes pop up the next day. Like, they do not give me a chance. So my under eyes are there. And I have some scars, acne scars that I'm working on. They're actually better now. I've been using Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. And it's great, it's been working. And I also use my go-to Midnight Recovery Concentrate Night Face Oil, which also works so great on me. I find it very important to have a nighttime routine and a morning routine, because we have to help our skin feel and look better. You know, it doesn't happen overnight, unless of course you're blessed with great genes. In my situation, I have to deal with under eyes and acne scars, which it's fine. I'm dealing with it, and that's okay. So let's get started, because I don't want this video to be long. So I'm starting with a daily moisturizer. It's very important. This is the daily moisturizer that I'm using. It's Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with SPF 15. It's really important to have SPF in your skincare routine. So here's my moisturizer. I'm going to moisturize my face. It's important for your skin to have some type of moisture when you are applying your makeup. And for the sun, of course. I love it. I've been using this Aveeno moisturizer for so long. Like, I should probably try something else. Not to switch it up, but more so because my skin might be already used to this. So I might have to end. Plus, I'm almost out of it. Like, it's all the way down here. Whatever's left, it's only a little left. So when I want to feel beautiful and I want to feel pretty, I don't go all in. Like, I don't just put a lot of makeup on my face. No, I only do that when I'm going out and I'm gonna go on a nice date, or we're going out, like out, dressing up and all that. That's when I put a lot of makeup. or when I feel like it. But there are more days where I just want to feel pretty and I want to feel beautiful. Yeah, I don't have to have so much makeup on my face. I find that it works best for me. My face feels better and lighter, not too much on my face. So what I like to do is use my concealer as my foundation, kind of, where I cover my dark spots and my under eyes and lids, of course, because you know all of this. See how it's darker here too? To cover all that. That's what works for me. It feels light in the skin and it just feels amazing. My go-to concealer is NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande Medium Dark 3. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but so I will do this. I'm looking down. I have my mirror here. Might seem like a lot to some people, like for that you just put foundation on, but no, because I'm going in with my damped sponge and I'm just going to lightly press it in. It's not the same to apply concealer than to apply foundation. I mean, do you see how this alone makes such a difference? See? That's it. It's about finding a great shade, really close, almost perfect to your skin complexion, where you don't feel like your face doesn't match the rest of your body. We don't want that. And that's what this concealer is to me. Like, it's my go-to for years and years and years and years. And you know what? Here, I could apply a little more. Right here, right there underneath. I could apply just a little. Oh, I just got a new subscriber. Fairy Flower, subscribe to your channel. Yay, thank you. I celebrate each and every one of you, honestly. Doesn't matter where I am and who I'm with. Like, I will tell whoever I'm with, like, yay, I got a new subscriber. I celebrate each and every one of you. I want you to always know that. So, I want to talk a little bit about confidence. Being that this is about how I make myself feel beautiful. It doesn't mean that without makeup, I don't feel beautiful. It just means that I need that little push, that I want to look and feel more beautiful than I already am. It makes such a difference in your appearance. You see, like, I instantly look more awake, I look more radiant, and sometimes you just want to feel that, you know? But confidence, it's much deeper. I've got lots of videos talking about that. My first video was about confidence. Sometimes, and I'm gonna do it now for the sake of this video, and since I'm already applying makeup, I go in and I just highlight with a lighter concealer shade the inner corner of my eyes. I might do some on my on the bridge of my nose. This is the KKW Beauty concealer in shade 11. All right, just right here, just to lighten up a little bit, you know? Just showing you guys what I do right before I create a video for you guys. This is it. This is what I do. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier as Loose Setting Powder. So I'm gonna just go right over everything I just concealed. I have oily skin, so I have to conceal. It's not whether I feel like it or not. I have to, because if not, concealer does crease. Do you see this difference? Do you see that? I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. This is what I do to make myself feel beautiful. This is my choice of preference. You can choose whatever makes you feel more beautiful. Whether it's getting your hair done, I love that too. Whether it's getting your mani and a pedicure, whether it's going shopping and dressing up, whatever works for you. This I am showing you what works for me. Let's see, what else? And what I also do, I use this one product. It's a bronzer, Fenty Beauty Instant Warm Bronzer in Coconutty. I use the same product. I'm gonna go in with MAC 224 brush, and I use this on my crease, just lightly, just to give it dimension to my eyes. I am not a makeup artist or any of that. I just watch YouTube videos and I practice on myself. Right, so that takes care of my eyelids. Then I go in with my Morphe 403 brush, and I use this to contour or bronze my face. This is the same product. I like to do this when I go away. I don't have to bring too many products with me. I do this all the time, but I'm saying that I like that I can use the same product for different things. See? Like, it's pretty nice, right? I love this bronzer. It works so great for me. And since I'm using it to bronze my face / contour my face, I will go back in with my MAC 224 and contour my nose. You don't need these exact products. There's so many great drugstore products that you can use. Actually, one of my favorite foundation, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. It's awesome. It's really affordable. I'm going in with mascara. I'm moving a little faster because I don't want this video to be long again. Oh, this is the Scandal Eyes Retro Glam by Rimmel London. Right. For my lower lashes, I go in with MAC Extended Black Giga Black Lash. A little bit of highlight. For the lips, I just like to go in with some gloss. Let me take off this. Actually, right now, all I'm wearing is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And it's great. Just gonna go in and put some gloss on. I'm going to wear the D.E.Y.A Lip Maximizer in the shade 006. So this is my final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Here you get to see all of me with and without makeup. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you maybe learned a thing or two or just enjoyed it. Because I'm not a professional. Let me know if you like this kind of videos. If you enjoy it, like it. That way I know that you enjoyed it and it helps me too. Don't forget to leave any comments down below if there's any products that I've used that you use as well, or you are curious and would love to know any more of the products that I use. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I hope you're doing well, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.